Hello and welcome to another episode of Spare Time Gardening with me, Simon, and I'm in the office today. But this episode is about the autumn tidy up. So it's late October and we're just going to tidy up the garden, get rid of the pots, empty the greenhouse, get rid of all the dead and exhausted flowers, just prepare for winter, pop in all the furniture away, the wind spinners, the solar lights, etc. Just so we can leave it over winter and then we can start again in spring. So as always, enjoy. So today's job then is to tidy up the patio, put all the plants away for winter, put the patio set away into the garage, and I'll take the clock down as well, empty the greenhouse, that needs plants digging up and shredding, bit of a jungle in there now, not really paid much attention to it this year, next year will be better. And tidy up the border, dig these plants out, top the bird feeder up, and then put all the lights and the wind spinner and everything away for winter. And lastly, what I'll also need to do is fix this water butt that collapsed a few weeks ago, so we'll get that fixed. And just remembered there that the geraniums will also need to go in the garage or the greenhouse to overwinter, so I'll take those in as well. So plenty to get on with. Weather's quite mild though. So and hopefully, although it feels damp, at least it's not raining. So let's crack on. So I've tidied the plants up. Just need to move some of these into the corner that I'm going to leave out over winter. Put the furniture away. Greenhouse is now empty of the tomatoes. That's all been shredded and put in the compost bin. So I'm going to overwinter the begonias. Took out the petunias and the sweet peas. I'm going to leave the begonias in there because those are still flowering even though it's almost November, but look lovely. And I've weeded around the compost bin. So I just need to top up the bird feeders, put the lights back in the garage, wind spinner back in, patio furniture and clock, and then I'll sweep the patio and we should be done for another season. Let's crack on. So that's the patio cleared and furniture put in the garage for the winter, solar lights put in the garage for the winter, greenhouse clear of tomatoes. I've just got the begonias in there now just to overwinter. Just got to sort out the bird feeder, top that up. All the solar lights and the wind spinner and everything is now tucked away into the garage. I've also taken the clock down for winter as well. So all packed up, ready for the season, start again next spring.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button, and please feel free to leave your comments and feedback below. I'd love to hear from you, so don't be shy, and of course I'll reply. See you soon.